tellonym.com. Conditions apply.
The Bottle O has a huge selection of good value gifts for Father's Day. For a chance to win a $200 Bottle O gift card, tell us what your dad's good value at the Kiss web page. The Bottle O. Good national sport. Cricket.
Sorry, but our national soccer plays a lot of
Support, visit gamblinghelponline.org.au.
Prepare to be moved in the Nissan Navara. Go absolutely anywhere with advanced off-road tech and refined comfort. Contact your local Nissan dealer to book a test drive today. Stock and delivery times will vary.
Delivering information to help Australian families feel prepared in times of disaster?
That's the goods.
Collecting over $1.5 million in over-the-counter donations for Australian Red Cross.
That's the goods.
Providing free mail redirection when disaster strikes.
That's the goods.
Together with Australian Red Cross, Australia Post is delivering the goods for communities impacted by disaster.
How they're going to do it. Doors? Yeah, maybe. But here's the thing. Nearly 25% of these maggots will break in through your windows. Yep, 1 in 4. Sobering thought, right? So think about this. Crimsafe are more than doors. They secure...